Hello guys, welcome to Web Tools. In today's video, I'll be highlighting you quick on an educational video on how to use blockchain flasher to generate flash crypto to your stake wallet. With that being said, let me log in my blockchain flasher software. If you are new to this software, the first thing you have to do is to purchase your activation key and you will get access to the software like this. So I already have some access to the software, so let me go to my stake wallet and copy the BTC wallet address we'll be funding for this video tutorial. So let me click on copy. See how you can see I copy the wallet address live on screen. Go back to my blockchain flasher software and click on send BTC. So we enter the amount we send in USD, but this flash will reflect in BTC. So let me enter the amount and see we send in this amount and paste the address we just copy. After pasting the address we just copy, we click on send. Wow, you can see crypto sent successful. That's how the blockchain flasher works. It's an instant reflect and it's receive flash from one wallet to another. All you need is just the receiver's wallet address and you are good to go to flash any wallet. So let's check the coin we just flash using the blockchain flasher. You can see the date and time. Let's refresh and check if the coin will reflect. Fresh, let's wait. Wow, you all can see my balance has been updated. The BTC we just generated has reflect successful. You all can see that live on screen without any edit on this video. You all can see how the blockchain flasher works. You can use this to play any game here. You can use it across any betting platform. You can just use it to generate all crypto flash you need. And one thing I love about the flash software, it's actually transferable, it's swappable and convertible from one wallet to another. All you need to send or receive flash is just the receiver's wallet address. As you all can see live on screen, the balance is still here. The balance we just generated is still here. And let me show you my YouTube channel. I do post educational videos steady, and if not web tools, if not this software, this platform, this my YouTube channel you're getting the update from, you all should know that it's not from me directly. The blockchain flasher software, I do post educational videos on my channel Web Tools only. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.